Ta-da! Look!
I told you specifically not to use the paint today. Why do you never listen to me?
Why is the maid taking so long with the tea?
It's time for me to meet my daughter now? It's been so long, my dear daughter. Every night I have looked at your pictures and wished I could hold you again. You should not have waited, bad mother. I am not the same little girl anymore. I hate you! Maybe I made a mistake at that time. I never wanted things to turn out this way. I'm absolutely loving this princess life. Everything is just perfect and I feel so spoiled and beautiful.
Wow!
I want to wear the black glitter gown today. Prepare it for me. It's my biggest dream to visit the royal palace just once in my life.
Your Majesties, the King and Queen, wish to see you now.
Very well. I shall attend to them.
Good morning, Your Majesties.
It's time to bring water from the stream before Mother comes. Maybe I should go to the waterfall today. It's called Heart of Jungle, and I have heard many stories from Mother about this waterfall.
My dear princess, time has come.
Today you will meet Little King. I hope you will find him worthy, and that together you will serve the kingdom's future. I will meet with Little King Majesty.
Now it's time for horse riding. I have to go. Oh, look how beautiful the water is. It's magnificent. I'm gonna collect some.
Oh my God, she is not just pretty, she is rarely different.
I am waiting, but where has Prince gone? How can I choose someone who is late to our first meeting?
My lady, your grace on this path rivals the morning sun. How is it you balance such a vessel with such poise, eyes?
Oh, what are you talking about? I can't do this anymore.
Shall we take a ride together through the gardens?
I would love to. I can't believe how fast we're going. This is amazing. Wasn't it Prince who was supposed to come to meet me?
Look at how the water cascades down. It reminds me of your beautiful hair flowing in the wind.
You? What is the Prince doing with this poor cat? Get your paws off him, you witch! He belongs to me!
Never! He chose me! Let go!
I don't belong to either of you! Stop this madness!